Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I'm making my first ever charcuterie board, and I posted this on Instagram, but I wanted to do a longer voiceover version for YouTube. So first I added some cheese, honey, and grapes for the sweet part of the board, and then some meat and crackers, which are gluten-free of course for me, some fresh cucumber, some baby gherkins, then this cheese, which is so yummy, and I'm gonna list all the names in the description for you. Grape tomatoes, mozzarella pearls, some salami, some more gluten-free crackers of a different kind this time, and I'll put all the names in the description. Mozzarella cheese, and now some almonds with the flavor of wasabi, a bit of olives, and pecans, and finally some chocolate. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a really cute snack for just yourself, a couple's night in, watching a movie, or even to have some friends over. I think it looks cute and it gives a bit of variety for everyone, whether you eat meats, you're vegetarian, if you want something sweet, there's something for everyone. And I put some apple cider on the side, and honestly, we just watched Harry Potter on my birthday. That was really so much fun. So have a fun night in, guys. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.